Emma, wait now. Stop doing this, eh? Why are you doing this now? Talk to me. Emma.
So you know her,
I
right?
don't know her.
What do you mean you don't know her?
I only met her once and she introduced herself to me.
Fine. But you told me you do not associate with any woman in this village except me.
Yes, that's true.
You have interest in her?
I do not.
You do! If you don't have any interest in her, why would you ask her to remind you her name?
See, Ma, you have to believe me. Eh? You just have to believe me, please.
I don't just want to reason everything. Just let me be.
Ma, okay. Chelo, no, eh? Keze kwenu, keze. Eh? Just relax. Okay, I promise you, I will not talk to her again. I'll cut off everything with her. I promise you that. Oh?
I want to go home.
Can I follow you to your house?
No, you can't. My father is at home.
That's beautiful. I want him to know about us.
So what are you going to tell him?
I will... you're right. See question. I will tell him that I want to marry you once I'm back from the city with plenty money. Then I'll pay your dowry. Pay everything payable. Then introduce you to Mama. Hmm? How about that? I'll talk about you. I'll talk about you.
I saw Ego and Ogechi while I was coming to your house. Did they pay you a visit?
Yes.
What do they want?
I don't really know what that girl wants from me. Eh? But I gave her serious warning of her life to stop acting as if we have something.
Oh, beautiful.
Then after that, I walked out of my house.
Better. What kind of rubbish is that? I mean, who does that? Who visits someone's house without telling the person?
Chukwam.
If they try that rubbish again, Wahamiyok.
Miyok.
How does someone go to someone's house without telling the person? Who does that?
I walked them out now.
Better. I don't like that.
Stop getting angry, eh? That's not...
Much.
Smile for me. Smile for me now.
Ogechi! Okay. Oh, she hasn't come back. Okay. Ogechi! You're so crying.
All my life, I have never been humiliated in my entire life like this before.
Why?
Never!
That guy is very wicked though. Very wicked.
He's not wicked. He is not. I'm very sure Mom must have poisoned his mind. She did it. I know what she can do. But it's okay.
It's okay. Stop crying. Just stop crying. Stop.
You see, for this thing Ma did to me, I swear to God Almighty, I will deal with her. Me and the man in this village, I will so deal with her. You will see.
You needed to see the way this guy pushed me out. He drove me out of the house. After you left, yes now.
Hey, see Ma must have told Ikenna so many bad things about us. She is the architect of this thing happening. She is. But it's okay. Me and the man in this village, I will deal with her. We'll drag it. I will. Don't worry.
It's okay. It's okay.
You will see.
Stop crying.
I'm not crying.
Stop.
I can't cry for Ma.
But you're crying now.
I'm not crying. I'm not crying.
Stop. Oh?
Ma. Papa. Bikobia.
I called you because of the young man you brought home this afternoon.
Okay.
Huh? So, how did you find him?
Papa, we have known for quite some time now. Though I met him on the road for the very first time.
You met him along the road?
Yes.
And he says he wants to marry you?
Yes, Papa.
Look, my daughter. You know you are my only daughter. My only child at that. So you have to be very careful. Eh? This man is still a gold digger. Yes. For how long are you going to wait for him?
Papa, I honestly like him.
Oh, you mentioned no. I didn't like him. Look, time waits for no woman. Eh? I'm telling you this now because of tomorrow. I don't want a situation whereby you will say you are waiting for keke or you are waiting for a kafo. You got to go? Have I made myself clear?
I beg you.
Good. You can go.
Brother.
Hey, how are you?
I'm fine. Welcome.
Thank you.
Oh, God. Good morning, sir.
Morning, how are you?
Fine, sir.
Did you prepare what I asked you to prepare?
Yes, of course, brother. Trust me, I did.
This is the young man I told you about. His name is Ikenna.
Oh.
Ikenna, this is my younger sister, Tracy.
Oh, Tracy, how are you?
I'm fine. You're welcome.
Yeah, you take him to his room.
Okay.
Let him freshen up, then show him around the house, okay?
I will, brother.
Okay.
Welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome to our house. Let me help you.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon there. Please, I'm looking for Chief Lawrence Okongo's compound.
Okay, it's not really too far from here. When you get to that junction, you take your right, move down straight. Then you see a T-junction, that roundabout.
Yeah.
Ask questions.
Okay,
You'll be
this
directed.
lane now, not this one.
No, just straight up.
This one, okay.
Yes.
All right.
All right.
Are you going that way?
Yes, I am.
Oh, very good. Just hop in there. Let me drop you off.
No, thank you very much. It's fine.
Why? You're going same direction. I can just drop you off.
I don't even know you.
Oh, come on. I can't kidnap you. Just come in. All right.
I blame myself for losing you. I should be there protecting you. The only thing I wish for is to see you again. And I'll never let you go. Cause Ofu one more, ole bino. Hey one more. Ofu one more. Hey ole bino. Yelele. Ole bino. Yeah.
At last, I've arrived at the city. My joy would have been completed if you were here with me.
I pray that God will bring you back. My happiness will know no bounds. I can't help but
Okay, I'm coming.
All right. Um, in case you need anything, feel free to call me, okay?
It's okay.
All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
My name is Emma.
Are you from this village?
No, I came to visit my sick grandmother.
Oh.
I'm from Amodo clan in Umwititi village.
Okay.
Thank you very much. I'll drop here.
Here now?
Yes.
Okay. Sorry about your sick grandmother.
It's fine.
I hope she's getting better.
Yes, she is. She's very, very strong. Thank you for helping me.
So I'll take up, right?
Yes, just continue.
Okay.
That's the roundabout there.
Okay.
Yes, once you just get there, ask anyone around.
Okay.
They'll show you the
All right then. Thanks for your time, man.
Thank you.
Right.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Okay, Chi. Thank God you're home today.
And where are you coming from?
My house, of course. Where will I be coming from?
Fine.
I came here yesterday and I did not see you. Where did you go to?
Lies. You lie.
Me? Lie. Ask your mother and I think I'm joking. Call her and ask her.
Okay. I went to their house yesterday.
Whose house?
Iken, of course.
Now you're talking. Did you meet him?
I didn't, but I met his sister. She told me he had gone to the city.
To do what?
Business, of course.
Very good. That means he's going to be staying there for a very, very long time.
And what do you mean by that?
Because by the time he's back, he will not even have time for Umma again. And all these local village girls.
That means I'll seize this opportunity to, switch up, upgrade myself. So by the time he comes back, he'll only have eyes for me. So happy! Did you want some oranges?
Yes.
Okay, let me peel this one for you. Don't have happy.
Ikenna, I've been knocking at your door.
I decided to stay here.
Stay here. Ikenna, I notice you've been worried since you came to this place. Tell me, are you avoiding me?
I have no reason to that.
Then what's the reason? What is your problem? Soon my brother will travel and you'll be in control of everything. What is your problem?
I've been so worried. I am worried by my own past.
Past? How?
The woman I call my mother is not my real mother.
Wait. I want to understand. What do you mean by the woman you call your mother is not your real mother? How?
This is a long story.
And shouting, Mama, what is it? Mama, she's lying down at the plantain garden. We called her and she didn't answer. Take it easy. Eh? I don't understand what you mean by she's lying down, she's not talking. We are farming at the plantain garden. Mama. Tell me exactly what happened. We were farming at the garden, at the plantain garden. Suddenly she fell down. We called her, but she didn't respond. She didn't wake up again. She's still lying there right now. She's lying there? Yes, we have to call her. She can't stand up. Eh? Wait, eh? Don't cry, don't get Mama.
Sorry.
Where are we going to?
I'm looking for a place to buy drugs for you.
But we don't have any money.
I know that we don't have money, but we need to leave this house first. Our stepmother is evil and Mama warned us about her. Oh?
Okay, I'm cold.
Sorry.
Hope I'm not going to die.
You won't die. Oh? You will stay alive. Oh? You won't die. You can never die. Sorry. It seems like we have entered another village.
Please, let's go back home.
No, we are not going to that house. That woman is evil. She will kill us. Sorry, lie down. God have mercy. Sorry.
Mama, where are you?
Sorry, wait. Stay here, huh? Alright. Let me look for someone. I'll beg money to buy drugs for you. Huh? Stay here, huh?
You cannot let me follow you.
No, I can't carry you again. Hold on, please. Stay here. Please, I'm coming. Oh, stay there.
I have not set my eyes on my brother till date. I have been living in the past since then.
Seriously, your story is a touching one. Yes.
My brother's disappearance is a bang in my heart. I couldn't just forget it so easily.
See, you have to move on with your life. You can't continue to live like this. You have a new life now. Move on and forget about this, okay? Please.
Life without my brother is incomplete. I am supposed to protect him, but I failed.
No.
Oh my God, I failed.
You didn't fail, Ikenna. It's not your fault. This is not your fault, please. Just let it go.
I wish I can set my eyes on him again. Oh, I wish.
Ikenna, it's okay. You have a new life now. And I'm happy you're doing well in my brother's business. And he's also happy with you. Just concentrate. Move on. My dear, let it go. Please, I beg you, please. Let it go.
This is my brother's picture. I wouldn't have lost you if I had stayed with you. I miss you every minute of my life. I always miss you. I stayed with you. This wouldn't have happened.
It's so painful you're no longer with me, and I blame myself for it. So for one more, hey, I pray that God will bring you back. My happiness will know no bound. I can't help but to keep thinking about you every day. Hey, oh, for one more, hey. One more follow Nanya.
Okay, come on. You can't continue like this. You need to stop. Please.
Tracy, you won't understand. I've missed my brother so much. After the wickedness of my stepmother, I still lost my brother.
I understand, seriously. But please, it's been a long time now. You have to put all this behind you and move on with your life.
I wish I can, but it's hard for me. I've missed him so much. Every passing day of my life, I miss him.
It's okay. It's fine. I understand you. Seriously. But you have to eat something. Okay? Lunch is served. Come on. Come on. Come on, Kenny. You have to eat something.
Hey, one more. say for it to fool one more. Hey, oh, I pray that God will bring you back.
Hi, you.
Yeah.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
We meet again.
Oh yes, we meet again. Where you headed?
Okay, I'm going to fetch firewood.
Oh, I see.
Yes.
So I was wondering if we can sit down and talk, you and I.
Sit down and talk.
Yeah.
What are we going to be talking about?
You see, ever since that day I saw you, I've been looking for a way to see you again.
I don't understand you. You don't know me. I don't even know you either.
That's the main reason we have to sit down and talk, so we get to know each other.
You're very funny, sir. Very, very funny.
Come on, don't call me sir. My name is Chimobi.
It's alright, Chimobi. I'm sorry, but I don't have that time. Like I told you the last time, I'm here to take care of my sick grandmother. So I'm too busy. I don't have time to sit down and talk. Thank you.
Okay, so how about if I pay you a visit at your grandmother's place? Would that be a bad idea?
Thank you, Tracy. Call Ikeda for me. I need to talk to both of you.
Okay.
So, good enough. How are you? I'm good. Fine. I'll be traveling tomorrow. Going outside the country. So I will urge both of you to take care of my business when I'm not around. I hope you can do that.
Yes, I can.
Good. And Ikena, I must say that I'm happy with your performance so far on the job. So I would like you to keep it up.
Okay, sir.
Okay?
Thank you.
Good. Tracy.
Sir?
I think it's high time you taught Ikena how to drive a car. Let him be using one of the cars to run around for the business. Don't you think so?
I will. I will do that.
Okay, that's okay. I think that's all I have for you too for now. If there's anything I remember, I will let you know before I leave tomorrow.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
You can go.
Thank you.
Wow.
Papa, you're going out?
Oh yes. I want to go and see somebody, but I will be back very soon.
Okay. Please go where?
Okay.
Mama! Have you come to make mockery of yourself? What exactly do you want in my father's compound?
Anyways, I saw your father on my way here. He told me you just came back from your grandmother's village, so I said I should come and say, welcome to my friend.
Who is your friend?
Please,
say whatever it is that brought you to my father's house.
Okay, oh. I heard your boyfriend has left you for the city. Is that true? Tell me now, is it true? So for your mind now, you think he will go to the city, see all those fine, sexy, nice smelling ladies. He will still leave them and come for village you. Hey, I came to sympathize with you, my friend. Ndoka biazelawa boyfriend.
Has she not gone mad already? Obviously she is.
I have not heard from Ikenna since he left for the city. Actually, I am so afraid of those beautiful ladies in the city. They will start going after my Ikenna once he starts making money. I still have not forgotten the story of how they love men and money. Oh my goodness. What do I do?
Hi.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon there. Please, I'm a bit confused, yeah? I'm looking for Amodo's clan.
Oh, this is Amodo's clan.
Oh, very good.
Yes, sir.
I'm looking for Ezekiel Okoli.
Ezekiel Okoli.
Very good. Ezekiel Okoli.
Okay.
Yeah. So I'm looking for the daughter, Mma.
Mma.
Yeah.
Okay. Just go forward then.
Yeah.
You see where that street is. Just make a left then. The house is on the right.
On the right?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Okay. Very good. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Let's go.
He said he's looking for Mma. Why? What connection? Why? Okay. He's looking for Mma, Abi. Okay. Are you sure you heard what that man asked you? I don't understand what you're saying. Like, I don't know what I'm talking about, or do I look deaf to you? I heard him clearly. He said, please direct me to Ezekiel Okoli's compound. He said, I am actually looking for Mma, his daughter. Yes, that was what he said. And you said you don't know this man at all? I don't even know him. I've never seen him before. I've not seen that car. Okay, you know what? Hold on, I'm coming. Where are you going to? I'm coming. Oh. Mm. Mm. Yeah, let's go. So, to Ma's house now. To do what? I need to know what that man came to do. I need to know exactly. I have to see it with my 2 eyes. No, you're not joking. I have to know. Let's go. Get you. I want to know. To go to Ma's house. To go and do what? I want to see it.
Thanks for the hospitality. Safe journey as we travel back to the city.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Please,
I will. Would you kindly use this for miscellaneous? Maybe get anything you want.
Is this not too much?
All this for me?
Oh, come on. Don't worry. It's nothing. 1 minute. I'll be right back.
Thank you so much for everything.
Hey.
Papa, this is rather too much.
What is too much? He has money.
It's not about the money. It's money everything.
He will take care of you.
Papa, you don't listen to me. I told you something, but you wouldn't listen to...
He has money. Hey. Wait, let me see my love. My love. There.
And to you, my darling, here. I got you a phone. And in there's a SIM card recharged with 3,000. Just try call me so I'll have your number.
You got me a phone?
Yes.
You got me a phone?
Hey. This is the one they call Android though. Hey, my love. Thank you.
Come on. Don't mention.
Thank you so much. God bless you.
Bless you. Okay, so I'll run along.
Oh, okay. I will use the phone with you. My love, see, as you are going there, drive carefully. You know this is a machine. You young men of these days, when you enter,
that won't be a problem.
Thank you, Johnny Mercy.
Thank you. Use this phone so don't forget to put the SIM card in and call me. Alright, bye darling.
Bye.
My love.
I told you, that man came for that girl. Can you imagine? Who is he and what is he doing in their house? How do I know? I don't even know the man. But from all indication, I'm sure he's a stranger here. He doesn't even know anywhere. Why must he be Mma in this village? Mma this, Mma that, Mma. Is she the only beautiful girl in this village? Ask me. Or is she the only girl in this village? Babe, but let's not conclude yet. No, we'll just wait first. Because whenever they show say for that, the man come meet her for any tour. We ain't be to the man. Ego, you don't need to tell me who that man is to Mma. You see that Mma girl? I will frustrate the hell out of her. Me and her in this village, I will so frustrate her. Very good. You will see. Let's go. Deal with her very well. You know, I was so happy Ikena left her to the city. Now another man is busy pursuing her. I will deal with that girl. Let's go. Mma in this village. Hey.
I am still worried over everything. What do I do? What am I going to tell Ikenna when he eventually comes back? And my father has already given his consent to Chiwobi. What do I do?
go sister. I'm not see what you do my kind. My shirt. See what you do my kind. So it's not dirty your car. Just okay, you want make when you dirty my car, you say you go do well. What is the work? I go think that for you. What's the work? I see this Google. See this Google. So you do my car. When the family say you don't get there, you can't no sense now.
You think you can bully him? That's why you're putting up a fight on him? Eh? And besides, there's no dent on your car.
Stop it! Okay, you can't get that car. I don't mark your face. I know your face. You can't get that car. You don't buy the case. You don't buy the case. Okay, no worry. You don't buy the case. You don't worry. I don't see you. I know you. You don't know already. I cannot do anything. For this Lagos, you go see. You go see.
What?
Fight for who you don't know.
Maria, I hate injustice. That guy did not do anything to that stupid boy.
Really?
Yes.
Do you know that guy has marked your face and he might come after you tomorrow?
I am not just afraid of his strength. I'm not afraid at all. Let's go.
Hina, be careful.
Let's go.
Mom, you're here.
Yeah.
Can I sip from your juice, please?
Why not? Feel free.
Thank you. So where's Dad?
Oh, your dad is upstairs. He said he had a hectic day at the office. You know your dad is not getting any younger.
Of course I know that, Mother. Well, very soon I will take over the company affairs so he can rest.
Very important, my son. So tell me, how have you been coping with the work so far?
So far, so good, Mother.
Wow. Anyway, I was actually discussing you with your father before he went upstairs.
Okay, about what?
I told him you've grown. It's high time you got a wife. Yes. Mom. You are no longer a baby.
I knew you were going to come to that, for real.
Of course, yes. I'm a mother. And I know the importance of getting married earlier. Yes.
Well, you both should not worry because I'm on it already.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Have you gotten someone?
Something like that.
Wow. So, what are you still waiting for? Just bring her to the house.
Oh, Mom, come on, take a chill pill. Very soon you will see her.
Very soon? Is she coming like today?
Mom, very soon you are gonna see her.
I can't wait.
My father has refused to listen to me. He is the one making things difficult for me. I cannot marry Chimaobi when I know that I have another man in my life. God, please come to my aid.
Ma, what are you doing sitting here all day? Masinachi, I'm talking to you.
Papa, you are here. Sorry. I'm fine, Papa.
You're fine.
But
the last time I checked, you've not eaten anything since morning.
Papa, that's because I've not been feeling hungry. But I will eat. When I come inside, I will look for something and eat.
Look, you better go inside and eat your food now. Okay? I don't know what your problem is, but go and eat. You need food. Go and eat your food.
Azuka! Azuka! Hey, don't worry, I'm fine. Sorry. How's your mom? My mom is fine, but she's not with us. So, how's your family? It's fine. Please, have you heard from Ikenna?
No, you know I have no phone and there's no means of communication.
Hi. Azuka, I'm really troubled.
What is it?
Azuka.
Yes?
I had a suitor some weeks ago. And the most heartbreaking part of it is that my father already gave his consent. Despite all my effort to make him understand that I'm waiting for Ikenna, he still wouldn't listen to me. That is why I have come to see Mama. I really need to speak with her.
You had a suitor?
Yes. And he's so desperate. He wants to do everything very fast. I told him to hold on.
Like I said earlier, we've not heard from him. No means of communication.
Hi. I'm really troubled. I mean, I have not been myself. I really need to speak with Mama. When will she come back?
Okay, since she wants to speak with Mama, just hold on. She'll soon be back.
Then I'll wait.
This is not good at all. This is not cool.
I'm not happy. Not hearing from Ikenna is really devastating me.
Good morning, Dad.
Good morning, son. Chiamobi, you are ready for work so early today.
Where's Dad? I've got an appointment with our new partners, 7 a.m. today.
I wish you luck.
Thank you.
I forgot to tell you that I placed an order for the replacement of all the laptops in our office. And the supplier will be coming today to meet with you.
Okay, what time?
Precisely 12 noon.
12 noon. Okay, all right. Just tell him to stop by before lunch time, eh?
That's all right.
All right, Dad. See you. Bye.
He is doing well.
Mma, Chimaobi said your phone was switched off throughout yesterday. Is that so?
Yes, Papa, it was.
Why? Anyway, he said he will be coming this weekend to see you. Look, my daughter, don't let us miss this golden opportunity that God has given us.
Well, Papa, I really wanted to tell you this before, but now you have brought up this topic. I think it's high time I told you everything.
And what is it?
Papa, I don't think I want to marry Chimaobi.
What's the meaning of that?
The meaning of this is that I cannot bring myself to hurt Ikenna. I can't marry Chimaobi. I mean, I can't.
And who is Ikenna? No, tell me, who is Ikenna? And where is he? No, where is he? Look, Mma, don't let us miss this golden opportunity that God has given to us. Yes. And this is the last time I want you to mention that name, Ikenna, in this house. Do you hear me? I don't want to hear that name again. God has given us this golden opportunity and you want to mess up with it? Ikenna, he's still digging gold. Who knows? A village boy that has nothing to do, we have this big man giving us money, you're messing up. Idiot.
What? Wow! What? This is unbelievable.
Yeah, you. What? Are you the person I'm expecting?
Wow. Nice to meet you again. My pleasure, bro. Small world. Thank you. I'm Ikenna.
I'm Chiwobi. Wow, I can't believe. Please have a seat. Thank you, my brother. Wow. Woo.
Wow, it's good to be good.
Of course.
I never knew that we'll finally have something in common.
Exactly. It's a small world.
Yeah. So how is business?
Wow, the business is fine. See, I must thank you for the other day, yeah? You see, that guy really stepped on my toes, but I appreciate the fact that you came through for me.
It's okay.
Wow. So what happened? I was expecting you yesterday.
Oh, yesterday. I'm so sorry. I was so busy, a lot on my head. So I couldn't just make it. I'm so sorry.
I get it. Guess kids, family, All right. So you have the laptops here?
Yes. Let me call my boys to bring them up.
Oh, okay. Great. Wow. Ooh.
Hello.
I feel so ashamed of myself whenever I see this girl. And the news all over the village about her rich young suitor. She's now the talk of everybody. Mma here, Mma there, Mma everywhere. And me? Not even a good boyfriend to my credit. Hey! Oh, wow. In fact,
I blame myself for losing you. I should be there protecting you. The only thing I wish for is to see you again. And I'll never let you go, 'cause you're the only one I have. Hey, ofu one more, ole pino. Hey, one more. Ofu one more. Hey, ole pino. Yelele, ole pino. Yeah, it's so painful you're no longer with me, and I blame myself for one more. Hey, one more. I pray that God will.
Hey!
Chineke na molisa maka no.
Hey! Oh, Jabora do shario. Oh, mu amosinka na bem. Ha! Olisanye mu nwanye bego. Olisanye mu nwanye bego. Kamoge nye mego ya nye mu nwa o. Kamoge nye mego ya nye mu nwa. Mgbe nwa mo binire ego mebinye. Nwa mo binire. Mgbe nwa mo binire ego mebinye. Ego mebinye. Now. Ikenna. Ewo.
Chimo.
Another surprise.
Yes, what a surprise indeed.
Come on, what are you doing here?
Chimobi, I should be asking you that. This is my village.
Oh,
yes. Oh, Ma, how are you?
I'm fine.
I can see that.
Oh, I see. You both know each other?
Yes, of course.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Well, meet my fiancée. I'm actually in this village because of her. Babes, meet my friend. I mean, we've been bumping into each other for some...
Excuse me. I think you're joking or something.
Joking? Does it look...
This is the woman I want to get married to. And she's the reason I came back too.
Come on, man. You must be joking,
No, I'm not joking. I'm serious. I'm very serious. Yes, I'm serious.
You can't be serious because I have performed some preliminary rites on her. Even her father is aware. Are you sick or something?
It's, see, this cannot happen over my dead body. It can't. Ma.
Oh, babes, what is this lunatic talking about?
Hey, excuse me. Did you just call me lunatic?
Well, take a chill pill, lunatic. I just want to get something straight.
Excuse me.
What is it?
Did you just call me that?
Oh, come on, take a chill pill, you.
Anyway, excuse. Ma, what is going on? No, what is going on?
Okay, she wanted to see me off before.
No, sorry, excuse me. This cannot.
Mama, what are you still doing? I'm going to get just do something so that you cook now. I'm not going to eat that. What is your problem? I'm trying. Mama,
Ikenna now drives a car. Mama, what you do? I'm not going to make it. You sit there. You're not.
It's not supposed to be one person's house. I'm a cat daddy. I'm bossy, sir. Olisanya munga nyebeka. Olisanya munga nyebeka. Kami kene lego nyemunga. Mbewa mupele. Oh, stop. Come here, sissy.
Never.
What is the problem?
Never walk.
What is the problem?
I don't know, Mama. Ogini. Wait.
No, Ogini.
Come, let me cook.
Of course. You and your daughter needs to take a chill pill for real. Now what's going on? No, what's going on for real?
My son.
Is that guy meant to dictate what is good for you and your daughter?
Calm down, my son. Everything is still in place as we planned it. Okay? Don't worry.
Talk to your daughter. I don't want it to look like I'm dragging her with a nobody. Okay? That guy is a nobody. Your daughter needs someone that will take care of her, not that guy. Don't you know that?
My son, we are saying the same thing. You are the one I know. Okay? Please.
Okay, fine. I'm going to hold you with that word. Okay. Me, right? Only me?
Yes.
Okay, sounds great. Take this money for your miscellaneous. You already know more is about to come if you do your job, right?
Easy burger. You go Zegi. God bless you, my son.
Bless you too. Okay, I'll take my leave. Okay. Bye.
I'm not listening to that too. I'm not listening to that. I'm just telling you the truth, please. You have to go and tell him. Go and tell Chimobi that I cannot marry him. It's not done. And I can't want Ikenna. Ikenna is my first love.
Look at you. Just look at you. You want to use your own hands to destroy your life?
Papa, I'm not destroying anything. I'm only speaking the truth. That is what I'm saying to you now. Please, I cannot continue with him. I can't.
Do you know who we are talking about here? We are talking about Chimobio. The man who has been taking care of you and I for a very long time now. Just look at you. Look at the way you're shining. You are not different from your friends in this village. Eh? And you don't have a good heart to appreciate what this young man has done for us?
Papa, I appreciate everything. But I cannot bring myself to hurt Ikenna, who happens to be my first love. I can't. I love him more.
Look, for your information, I don't know who Ikenna is. I don't know him. Chibuobi is the man. I mean, I cannot allow Ikenna to destroy all the arrangements we've made so far. Get that into your thick skull. Yes. Get that, oh.
Papa, you're not the one getting married, though. I'm the one getting married. You're not the one. Why are you making things very difficult for me in this house? Good afternoon. I was actually on my way to your house.
Okay.
Ikenna, I'm so sorry for everything. Please.
You betrayed the love I have for you and went for another man.
No, Ike. It's not what you think.
So what do you want me to think?
Ike, it wasn't my fault. I was afraid. Because since you traveled to the city, you never communicated with me.
Afraid of what?
I was afraid of you not coming back to me. My father was also on my neck. I'm sorry.
But we had an agreement. We promised to wait for each other.
Yes, we promised to wait for each other, but you never called. I'm human. I'm sorry.
Do you still love me?
Of course I do. I still love you.
Then ask him to go. I'm ready to marry you now.
You know, I can actually do that, but not immediately. I can't push him away like that. This young man has done a lot for my father and I. I just hope you understand. It has to be a gradual thing because I wouldn't want to hurt him in the process.
So what are you trying to say?
What I'm trying to say is that I need time. I need time to get it done. Please. I do not want to hurt him in the process.
So I'm the one who is good to be hurt.
No.
Listen. Go tell him to go. Because I'm not going to allow him or anybody marry you. Do you understand?
Yes.
I'm just disappointed.
No.
I'm just disappointed.
Ike, no, don't talk like that. Please. I'll solve it. I will. I'll call you.
Oh na na na, oh na na, I'm in love with this baby, yeah, yeah. I'm in love. Now only she they give me joy, oh, yeah. I'm in love. What Oluwa join together, let nobody put us under, oh. I no go green make anybody take you away from me. Cause I go fight for you, baby. Nobody's gonna take you away from me. I will fight for this love, oh, oh. Nobody's gonna take you.
Here's the water, sir.
Thank you.
Onny, you and this program.
Oh gosh.
I couldn't get Shimobi on the phone. Did you call him?
Yeah, I spoke with him this evening.
What is he still doing in the village?
He said he needed time to sort out some issues.
Sort out what issues?
He didn't tell me, but he actually promised to tell me once he returns.
I told Shimobi that I don't like this idea of traveling to the village all the time.
Honey, I think you really need to talk to him, like create out time and talk to him. Besides, you initiated this idea of going to the village in the first place.
So what?
And now he's enjoying it and you're complaining. So, tell me, what was the last scene?
It's actually a documentary.
Oh my God. Why am I in this kind of problem? Two men are battling themselves because of me. I honestly do not want any problem. I don't.
My dear, I am sorry the way I left you yesterday. I'm so sorry.
It's okay. I'm so sorry for everything I did. Please just find a place in your heart and forgive me.
It's okay, I'm forgiving you. So how are you today?
I'm okay, just that I'm not too fine.
Young man.
Good afternoon, sir.
What have you come here to do? Huh?
Papa.
Will you just shut up? I wasn't talking to you. Young man, out of my house. Now.
Hey, Papa, no. Papa is my guest.
I said shut up! I said leave my house!
It's okay. Papa, it's okay. I will leave your house. But what I will not allow you to do is to give him man's hand in marriage to another man.
Hey! What impetus? Allow me. No. You will not allow me to give my daughter's hand in marriage to another person. Because you have control over us. Huh? Allow me. My friend, leave here. I give my daughter to anybody I wish to give her to. It's just.
Please, I'm sorry. I don't like what you're doing.
Shut up!
I don't like what you're doing.
I said shut up!
I said I don't like what you're doing. I don't like what you're doing. Why are you embarrassing my guest? What is all this now? Why are you embarrassing my guest? Are you the one that's going to leave whoever you're going to give me to marry? What kind of rubbish is this?
I am not going to warn you again about this. If anything happens to you, you have yourself to be blamed. Do you understand?
You see, young man, when I look at you, you make me wonder. Not only wonder, I ponder. I think about what gives you the zeal to think that you have arrived. Is it because you go to bend down boutique on the roadside to pick these rags you're wearing and these welder glasses? That what gives you the zeal to think you've arrived for us to drag women? Look, young man, you do not have what it takes. Why are you frustrating the poor girl? You don't have money, you don't have nothing. Do you know how much I pay the family daily? Do you know how much salary I pay them monthly? You don't have what it takes. So, can you please take your poverty-stricken self back to your village and rest your head there? Or probably look for a cheap girl that fits your brief.
She doesn't need your money.
Oh, really?
And one more insult from you. Okay. I am going to break your jaw. I'll make sure I crack your bones. Do you understand that?
First of all, I think you should be in WWE chilling with John Cena or who? Get out. Get out of my office right now. Or